Are you a mom juggling 1,000 tasks and looking to take control of your life? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share the proactive productivity mastery way, an approach that has helped countless moms unlock their leadership potential while managing the unique challenges that come with it. Hi, I'm Nithya Rangarajan, your proactive productivity and personal development expert. Stay tuned and discover the secrets to mastering productivity as a mom. As a mom, I understand we often confront unique challenges, isn't it? But we are the CEOs of our homes, the leaders of our families, and often professionals too. The constant juggling can lead to exhaustion, stress, and feelings of being stretched too thin. To set yourself on the path to success, the first step is prioritization. Recognize your most vital tasks both in professional and personal life. Prioritization empowers you to take control of your day and direct your focus towards what truly matters. Step 2 involves time mastery, specifically designed for moms. Learn the art of time blocking, carving out dedicated blocks of time for family, work, and self care. This is how you can create a structured and efficient day. The third step is about delegation and self care. Recognize that you don't have to do it all alone. Delegate tasks when you can and prioritize self care to maintain your physical and mental well being. Leaders know the importance of self care, isn't it? Here is the thing, I've been there, I know these challenges, and I've dedicated many years to mastering productivity. So, the proactive productivity mastery way isn't just a concept, it's a philosophy I have lived and breathed. Let me share an inspiring story from one of my clients, Vasanti. She once struggled to balance her career and family. Through prioritization, time mastery, and self care, she transformed her life. Her journey was marked by resilience and determination. She reshaped her daily routine, making time for what truly mattered in her career and personal life. Today, she is a shining example of productivity for moms. She successfully balances her career and family life, reduces stress, and leads a more fulfilling life, just like I have. Mastering productivity in this way, that is, the proactive productivity mastery way, is about taking control, finding balance, and unlocking your leadership potential. It's the secret to success in both your personal and professional life. Remember, as a mom, you have the power to be a leader, not only for your family, but for your own growth. By implementing these steps, you are not just managing time, you are leading with productivity. Thank you for joining me today. If you're ready to conquer productivity, elevate your leadership, and take control of your life, start with these steps. Stay inspired and keep mastering time management the proactive productivity mastery way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.